art lovers, welcome to the Art Bit. Today I'm pretty excited because we're doing something exciting. We're exploring something that actually excites my heart. Today we are at 7 Arts and we are talking dance moves. Today we're gonna be having a chat with a couple of young people. These guys, in all honesty, I would say they have redefined the art of dancing here in Malawi. If you don't know them, mukamaliza kuonera mpiteka ndi TikTok ndi tipo mukapeza. So we're gonna have a chat with several team members of this crew, 7 Arts dance group, and after that tiona sokuti zimakhala motani ena mwina mukamva koyamba. But joining me right now, ladies and gentlemen, is the talented 7-year banda. I wanna cut my fireworks. Girl, how are you?
I'm alright, thank you. How are you?
I am good.
Oh, nice.
So, the mango was a guy who did it. 7 Arts, you guys have redefined. Honestly, that's what I'm calling you guys. You have redefined the dancing art in Malawi.
Yeah.
I think Malawi is like a touch kinagage go see. So now, you just tell us, Kwambi, the 7 Arts, Inayamba Bwanji as a dance group. Did you guys audition? Munango kumana ndinu vachinzake, you were just like, guys, riambe zimene zitipange zimezi. Inayamba motani as a group?
So, 7 Arts inayambira pa kantayo kwambiri.
Okay.
So like Bucci, with his enthusiasm of dance, anakumana ndi the first 2 guys omwe ali Salim the Bonds, with all their interactions, my shows, Chani, anakumana, and then they like started dancing together. Yeah. So it became now a vision. Kudi, like they want bigger things.
Yeah.
So like they met and then they started their own group.
Yeah.
Aramba that group and with Ajina Anna Kelvin time. So they had to move from Blantyre to Lilongwe for greener pastures.
That's where the money is.
You know. So yeah, when they got here, with my connections and all that, my friends in Tani, that was what it was Mandi 7 Arts, which was already a creative a hub.
Okay.
Right?
All right.
So Kukumandi creative hub, 7 Arts, and Abanga sell the idea of having a dance studio.
Okay.
Which is something that is new in Malawi, because you don't just find it anywhere.
No, we don't. Actually,
I can even confidently say we're the only dance studio,
yes.
Right? So, anaipanga sell idea ija kwa our CEO, the one who handles the whole 7 Arts.
Yeah.
So, anaipanga sell idea and never idea ija namveka zuri ndiyampamvu.
Yes.
You understand? Moreover, something that is new, bring it out to the people and all that, and then they had to like make an agreement with the ground. Right?
Yes.
So ineo ndinazabe zantua alipokale.
Okay.
Ndinazabanga join. With also ineso with my whole enthusiasm of dancing. I also had a dream, that is, so like I would like to be in a place like this, right? So through my connections, I would over TikTok, and then we not qualified, and here we are.
Okay, all right, I love it for you, girl.
Yeah.
Now, talking of dancing itself, as a dance studio, it's a new thing in Malawi.
It is.
What exactly happens? Do you have workshops? What are your goals? What are the things that you're working on as a dance studio?
Okay. So our main objective as a dance studio is dance.
Yes.
All right. So when I say what our main objective is dance, that means everything that we do is centered on dance. All right. Command, it's not just and then we go home. No, it's not like that. We also have some aerobics. We do Zumba, which is a dance and
a dance
aerobics.
workout sort of.
You see, like something that is fun. You get to like dance and also have fun. Also get to like burn calories and all that. Of course. You know. Also, we have like my programs like therapy. You see, like people come for dance, not just to dance Some people come here with their problems, you see. They come in the studio, they dance, get to forget their problems, get their energy back. Create content, get to meet people, make new connections, and all that. So 7 Arts, 7 Arts, we have other departments also.
Yes.
We have the dance studio, we have the media studio, we have apparel, we have interior designs, we have construction, we have so many things.
Of course, and actually, we're talking about it. It does not look like a dance studio. So where we are right now, because this is obviously not a dance studio. The dance studio is on the other side of this room.
So this is part of the media studio. So this is the podcast room. Yeah.
Okay.
So as you can see, it's already podcasting.
It's giving. All right, girl. So I'll go deep into you now as a person, as a girl in a space. Malawi. Dance is a new thing. Already when you're dancing, people are giving you a bombastic side eye. I really want to just have a fair share of your experience as a dancer in Malawi. So dancer wage wankazi, to be specific.
Okay, so as much as being a dancer in Malawi is challenging, kutengera ndikuti anthu amatakakuona zoti ndiwe mtsikana ndipo ntchito yako ndikuvina, amakhala ndi narrative ija kuti ndosalongosoka.
Yeah,
you understand?
I agree.
So you have to battle with something like that, but also something that I should keep going forward is I have gotten to a place where I've understood good dancing is not just something I do to please people. It's something that is about me as well.
Yes.
As a personality. You understand? Dancing helps me a lot to get through myself, my head, I love creating, showing people that talent can actually do something for you. The vibe and the feeling is right. That's why your body go down. That's why your body go down. That's why your body go. I'm dancing as a talent, but also I'm getting paid doing something that I love. You understand?
It's a win-win.
So I'd say, Goody, this is something to show people, Goody, you can actually do something that you love and also get
paid.
You understand?
Yes.
So I'm gaining. People are getting to know me. I'm getting opportunities here and there. I'm getting money. I'm able to take care of myself and my family. So this is something that is helping for me.
That's actually the next thing that I was going to ask. Kudi, people look at it and treat it as a side hustle, not even like the main side hustle. They look at you and they're like, you're just wasting time. What are you doing? You're just dancing. So what you're telling me is you're in a space where you can actually dance and make a living and support your family. It has gone into that part.
Yeah. So I'm doing my side hustle as a main hustle.
As a main
hustle.
Also
as a side
hustle. All right. I hear you, Kwambi. So you've been, how long has this dance studio been around for?
I would say this is our second year.
Second year, yes. And it's really blooming and going big, honestly.
We're rising.
I've seen you guys, Kwambi. I think I've heard about you guys, but I came across you guys on TikTok. On TikTok, oh my God, you're literally just blowing in our faces, doing all this nice things. Take it. Yeah. Social media. At what point did you come to? Did it occur to you guys, Goody, you should utilize social media? Because in all honesty, social media is contribute to your growth and for people to even know you.
So through experience, we've seen, Goody, not just us, other people have thrived through social media.
Yeah.
Right now, if you see in this era, everybody is on their phones. So but then everybody has their phones in their hands. So if I put it out there on social media, it's still gonna get to them, even if they don't want it, they'll still get it. You understand? Because everybody is on their phones. So we're utilizing social media because we know it's a very powerful tool, not just for us, but for the whole company. Because perega dance yoka social media to perega all our businesses almost
yes.
7 arts. Yeah, so we got to realize that it's something that's gonna help us, and it's actually helping us a lot.
Yeah.
All
right, good. So but my phone, but it's a mango color, but we need to make use of that.
We need to actually make use of this internet. It's actually a very powerful tool. Yeah.
All right, girl. Thank you so much for having a chat with me. I can't wait for you to, I hope you help me learn some moves today, because
definitely
2 left feet, but I know I can move to a rhythm.
Don't worry, we'll straighten them.
Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is that with this girly girl, talented. Actually knew her on Instagram. Tangomanga realized we actually follow each other on Instagram. Amazing stuff. That's how small and intimate the creative industry of Malawi is. You know, when you know talent, you're there following and supporting each other, you know, and that's why we're here now, finally meeting each other in person. Yeah, love it. I'm here to be that's the Go Dance Studio and then Go Podcast Studio. Just to appreciate how big 7 Arts is, as well as the many things that these guys do. All you have to do is be there. Do not go anywhere.
Stay tuned, okay? Stay tuned.
I'm not gon' low, I'm not gon' bow. This is my life, I ain't gon' lie, this is my. I say bad boy, we get OT, stacking paper, play nicely, Leo Messi. Thank God we dey alive, more blessings, sing clearly, angelic. I no say anybody, person will see me, now me I see. I be on and yow, living my life, me so. But the me about my wow, carry your walla go foul. Baby me go down low, down. She love bad man gangsta.
Elle aime les vrais gangsters, ceux qui sont pas instables. Love street, love money, my life. Jeune africain, congolais ambitieux, je ressens quand même une douleur malgré ta présence, reçois.
All right, beautiful people, 7 Arts Dance Studio ija ndinoije ababa nagokumana ndidolo wakunoka mene Bonds MK.
You already know. Then yeah, that's it.
Yes. Tabuwezani ku office kwana.
Yeah, Bampika.
Bampika. Pretty much what happens here, Kunogo. I know it's a dance studio, but we're doing it for the people that are wondering what's going on.
All right. Like, Antoine I'm on the 7 Arts, I'm running as a 7 Arts, and then we're talking about dance. But there's a lot happening, like, in this place. You understand? There's fashion, right? There's There's dance, and there's, like what? And also, did Souvenir mention about BNBs and tailoring everything?
She did.
You understand?
Really
so there's
did,
a lot that we do in this place. You understand? So. Yeah, I was
actually gonna ask about that.
You understand?
Big man. I have 2 left feet, but how can
I also don't say that. Alright, mukabwera kunokwe ife timaonetsetsa kuti my clients athu ndosangala. You understand? Palanthu ena samamvetsetsa, you understand? You can tell them to do like this. You understand? So to us, we feel like anthu it's not season kuti tikhanga kuti chifrauti mina ndovuta kuwaphunzitsa, you understand? Then mukwiye chancha timafuna anthu ngati amene kuti anthu amene aja when we deal with them, they'll go out, they also tell friends. You understand? Kuti ine imene ndimaonera simene mata ndimaganizira, you understand? So customer care atondia
sikobwera anthu okutha kuvina okhaokha
anthu ambiri amanena choncho, but it's not like that. Even you have never even danced before, come to 7 Arts. We deal with them. Mwezi 1 week. Ngati iwe, if you are willing, timabezoti china jake even a week ikamati kuta, there's a change. I'm telling you.
How long have you been dancing?
How long?
Iwe as a person.
Wow. Now I can say 15 years. Yeah.
All right.
I've been in dance industry for 15 years.
50. That's a whole teenager.
I'm telling you.
All right. So I saw you guys dancing. Really good stuff. Amazing stuff.
Yeah.
What's your as a person now? I'm asking you as a person. What's your like preferred genre? Would it hey go mane ndikavina Afrobeat. Kabena ndikavina dance. Kabena ndikavina mapiano ne.
Ndeni makanda piravo. Yeah, understand. Okay. Me, I love, as a dancer, I'm supposed to do everything.
Yeah?
But to me, I love hip-hop so much. I love hip-hop so much. Mahibaba, then the fair body.
Yes.
You understand? I love hip-hop. I also love Afro. And I'm a piano. I'm a better role. Yeah.
Yeah?
Hip-hop, Afro, dancer, then I'm a piano. Yeah.
All right. Now, as a group, your trainings, how do they look like? Mabanga research about dancers that are out there, you bring it together to something that is close to home, close to who you guys are. How does your day look like?
All right. I like that question. Okay, if it's a family.
Yeah.
You understand? We prefer this is a family.
Yeah.
So first of all, before we start our rehearsals, we make sure everyone is happy.
Yeah.
You understand? Everyone is happy.
There are different things that make people happy.
No, it's not even like that. If you're a dancer, we need to
So that's how I want. The room phone.
How many times Saturdays spend and deka, Valentine's and deka, go 7 at pose and deka, come a little. Ooh, those days are all gone. Those days are all gone. Since you came, I say ooh, those days are all gone. Those days are all gone.
All right, new dancer in town. All I had to do was come here at 7 Arts Dance Studio and ladies and gentlemen, and that's how we wrap up today's edition of Art Bits. The name is Chisomo Nyirenda. We were here at the 7 Arts Dance Studio. I'm calling these guys the people that have redefined the dance art in Malawi. We love to see it, and we love to see the support that the dance industry is now receiving in the country. There is more to do, and everybody has to do something about it. Personally, I'm doing my part. I'm here to just give these guys the platforms that they need, give these guys the support that they need, because they have the talent and they have what it takes to put that black, red, green flag waving way up high. Many thanks to you for being there. Until next time, stay creative. Girl, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I am all right. I hope Sidibanga Central. Oh, ngofuna usinte. Oh, umwige. Okay, fine. Ndedi ambiraba, how are you?
Yeah. I have some but how are you?
Okay. Thank so money. Yeah, I think she can just do I'm alright. Because that's when I think we change angles.
Stuart Maunjili.
Mahu?
Wait, this is a guy.
Stuart? Okay. Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Happy birthday, Bio.
Yeah. Hey.